This lesson goes with 9.4, constructing triangles. So please look at the vocabulary and these criteria for constructing triangles. Go ahead and copy that down and go ahead and copy down example 1, at least the question, and then come back. All right, so for example 1, can you make a triangle with angle measures of 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees? And if possible, how many different triangles can you make with those angle measures? So we're looking at, first of all, so when you have to do this, you're looking at finding the 30-degree angle. Remember that your 0 degrees is here. So because your 0 degrees is here, that means that the angle is this angle. And so we're using the 30, the inside number on the protractor. And so that's a 30-degree angle. And then we want to see, okay, from there, can we add one of the other angles? So that was step 1. Then move to step 2, and we kind of shift the protractor so we go to the other end of the line. And from the other end of the line, with this is the vertex, we create our angle. So here's our 0 line, right? So we're using the top numbers for this protractor, and we got to go to 60. And so I find my 60-degree angle right there. Therefore, this is my new line. All right, and so finally, if you take the protractor away and kind of erase the extension of those two lines where they crossed, that is going to be 90 degrees. So we have to check if I do 30 plus 60 plus 90, that does give me 180 degrees, so that's going to work. And how many different triangles can you make with those angle measures? You can make an infinite number, because if you have the same all three angle measures, you can make a triangle that is smaller than that, but they're going to be similar triangles, but you can make them smaller or larger. The angle measures would stay the same, but I can draw it a bunch of an infinite number of ways, and then this would still be 90. This would still be 60 in this corner, and this would still be 30. So you can make an infinite number for that particular problem. If you have 3 angle measures that are all, when you add them up, you get 180 degrees, and that's all that you have in terms of what you can do with it, then it means you can make an infinite number of triangles. They can be bigger or smaller, but the angles are all the same. Your side lengths would just change. So now I want you to try it. If you have a protractor, awesome, go ahead and give that a try. If not, at the very least, do these 3 angles give you 180 degrees? If they do, then yes, you can make a triangle. If they don't, then you can't. So go ahead and try those. So if you took a little bit to do that, you should see that the first 2 are yeses. You can make that into an infinite number of triangles. And then the third one would be a no, because it does not equal 180 degrees. That equals 195 degrees.